threading a Brother Project Runway machine. This is a modern Brother, so it's pretty easy. There's a thread guide on the back, the loop underneath the tensioner, the loop up over the take-up arm, and because this machine is electronic, it should park itself with the take-up arm in the right spot to catch the thread. Then there's a thread guide down on the needle bar and the automatic threader. And I think this machine, I must have moved the needle when I was turning it toward the camera because I couldn't get the automatic threader to catch. It threads front to back, and then it is a drop-in bobbin. Brothers use a plastic bobbin, and you absolutely need a plastic bobbin in them because they have a magnet to hold the bobbin case in place, and if you put a metal bobbin in the machine, the magnet causes random drag and you will never get a good stitch out of the machine. So make sure you have correct plastic bobbins when you use your Brother.